Chotu TV.
Hello kids, let's draw and color ABC. I am drawing A. I am drawing B. I am drawing C. Sky blue color. Let's color A. A is for apple. I'm coloring apple. Red apple. Green. Pink color. Yellow color. Let's color banana. B is for banana. C. C is for carrot. I'm coloring C. Orange color. Orange carrot. We are coloring carrot. C. C is for carrot. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrot. Thanks for watching.
Chotu TV.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors.
Wow!
Brown, red, sky blue, orange, black, light green, green, yellow, pink, blue. Now, let's color these alphabets. Red color. A. A for apple. B. B for basket. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. E for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for basket. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.